Hello friends, today we are going to solve another problem in blood relations. Let's have a look at the question. This is the question, take a look on it, pause it over here and try to solve by yourself. These are the questions, try to get the answer for these questions. Now let's see the explanation. In the details what they are given is, there are 8 people in a family. M, K, A, C, D, E, G and H consist of 3 generations. So there are 3 generations. 4 of them are female. Among them, 4 are female. D and A are the daughter and son of K respectively, and both are married. D and A are the daughter and son of K respectively, and both are married. Respectively means D means daughter and A means son. Sorry, D is the daughter and A is the son. And they both are married. So, one couple, they are a couple. E is the sister of H, whose father is C. E is the sister of H, whose father is C. So, E and H are the children of C. They said E is the sister, so we know that E is the female. M and G are of third generation, and M is the son-in-law of E. M and G are third generation. So they said already third generation. So already D and A are the third generation. So we can know that these M and G are the people married to D and A. M is the son-in-law of E. So son-in-law means daughter's husband. Obviously he is male. So M is the son-in-law of E. From this we can assure that E is the mother of A and D. K is the brother-in-law of H. K is the brother-in-law of H. So K is the husband of E because E is the sister of H. They mentioned there are 4 females. First we doesn't know H is female or male, but now we got to know that it's female because only 3 females are there without H. So H is the female. Do you understand? Okay, now we'll go to the answers. Who among the following is sister-in-law of D? Answer is G. Who among the following is sister-in-law of D? D is here. D sister-in-law is G. Sister-in-law means brother's wife. And how is H related to D? Aunt. H related to D. D is E's daughter. H is E's sister. So H is the aunt of D. If Q is child of D, then how A is related to that child? If Q is the child of D, then A will be uncle, right? Maternal uncle. Yes. How many of you got the correct answer? Give it in the comment section. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.